Your homeowner's insurance in Illinois costs completely different depending on which part of the state you live in. A two flat in Chicago's northwest side, you're paying $1,800 to $2,500 a year. Same square footage down in Peoria, $1,400, maybe $1,500. Same state, same company sometimes, but the price difference is real. And most people don't even know why. By the time we're done here, you're going to understand exactly why Chicago premiums run nearly double downstate, which coverage gap is silently bankrupting homeowners right now, and what mistake 90% of Illinois homeowners make when they review their policy. This stuff actually matters. So what's actually driving this price gap? Chicago's got millions of 80 to 100-year-old homes, old electrical, aging plumbing, roofs that need replacement. Every single one of those factors makes your house a higher risk to insure. Then throw in that construction labor costs more in the Chicago metro than anywhere else in the Midwest. If your home burns down or gets destroyed, rebuilding it costs significantly more per square foot than the same size rebuild down in Springfield. The insurance company is pricing that rebuild cost into your premium from day one. Here's something that keeps me up at night in my agency. Yet Northern Illinois, especially the collar counties, sits on expansive clay. This clay absorbs water, expands, then dries out and contracts. Year after year, this cycle cracks foundations, bows walls, shifts slabs. And here's the kicker: your homeowner's policy doesn't cover it. Foundation movement from soil issues is excluded. I'm talking 10 grand for minor repairs, 80,000 plus for full underpinning. No insurance product really covers this. Your only defense is drainage. Keep water away from your foundation. That's it. Good news. Tornadoes and wind damage are covered under your standard homeowner's policy in Illinois. We're on the northern edge of Tornado Alley. The industry priced that risk in decades ago. But here's where people mess up. They assume the coverage is enough. If a tornado destroys your home, you're filing a total loss claim for a full rebuild. If your dwelling coverage is $250,000, but rebuilding actually costs $380,000, you're paying that gap out of pocket. Construction costs have jumped since 2020. If you haven't checked your dwelling coverage amount in 2 or 3 years, you're probably underinsured. The biggest mistake I see: homeowners assume their coverage amount is still accurate because they haven't changed anything. Your house didn't get more expensive. The cost to rebuild it did. Lumber, labor, HVAC, roofing materials, all significantly more expensive than 5 years ago. You can't just set it and forget it. An insurance to value review takes 15 minutes and prevents a catastrophic coverage gap when you actually need to file a claim. If you want to know exactly what your